Hi everyone. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to create a quotation using our back office interface. So the first step that you have to do is you have to go to your back office. You have to log in. Next, we are going to select our sales module here, and we are going to tap sales quotation entry. Be sure that you already created your customer's details or your customer's profile for you to create a quotation. So in order to do that one, first is we are going to select the name of the customer. And in order for us to select, you can actually see here, press Paste tab to filter by name. Just tab on your keyboard. And then once you do that one, you have the option where you can input or write the name of your customer. I have example customer here. I have Maria Emilia Galvez, and you can actually check the payment or the payment terms. I'm going to select 30 days for this one. And you can also have the price list if it's special price, wholesale price, employee, or retail. You also have an option here where you can input the quotation date. And of course, here you will input the item that you want to quote towards that customer. So I have a sample item here called test. Enter. Input how many quantity. You may able to see the quantity available on hand of that specific item. I am going to input mine, let's say for example, 500 pieces, and then tap add item. If you want to add shipping charges, you may do so. Let's say I have a 250 shipping charge and then tap update. Be sure that the address is correct. The validity of the quotation, you may extend that one, depends on your end. So I'm going to extend it until March 17. And of course, the delivery of the items for these specific items that we have inputted here, where would we get that? Is it from our store, from our truck, or from our warehouse? If there are contact numbers that you want to add and reference numbers that you want to also add, comments, so on and so forth, you may able to do that one. The shipping company depends on the courier that you have inside your system. You may also record from LBC and many more. So if you're good to go, you can tap place quotation. This one will automatically generate a quotation. You may tap view this quotation for a very short view where you may able to print it in a document type or save it in a PDF file. So that is what it looks like. And if you want a more formal quotation, you may tap the print this quotation option where you can see your quotation in a PDF file format where there are details of your store like the store's name, logo, addresses, details of your customer, the payment terms, and then the VAT breakdowns if there is. So that is how we create our sales quotation.